gonna lose your feet? 1, 2, 3, go!
Woo! Yay!
There you go. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna bounce.
Can you turn around? I'm over here. I'm over
Isabel!
here. Isabel. Feet. Feet.
Yay! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Woohoo! I think it probably can go higher. It's getting lower.
No.
Boo 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 boos. Bouncy boos. Who's a bouncy boos?
Go. There you're using your feet. Aren't you? There you're using your feet.
You're the bouncy
Come
boos.
over here. Come here.
He thinks she's a dog.
Come here.
Come here. Isn't he mean? Isn't he meanie?
Come over here. Yeah, that's it. That's it. One step. One step. Come on over here.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy boos. Are you drunk?
You gotta jump. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. Don't you? Yeah.
You like the freedom of that, don't you?
Woo! Woo!
Yay!
Your feet. I should be dancing, dancing. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Now you're doing pull-ups. Huh? 2 pull-ups. 1 pull-up. 2 pull-ups.
Woo!
Yeah, just get used to it.
Yeah. It's like a torture thing, isn't it? God love her. But you like it. You really like it.
Using her feet. Look at her.
Yeah. You're like me on a Saturday night. Yay.
Look at that.
Look at you. Look at you. Where are you? Where are you?
Over here.
Yay. The drunk on Mike.
She's lovely.
It's just a freedom, I suppose, not being held. Yay! You sure that's secure now, yeah? It's very creaky.
That's all right. That's not going anywhere. What is that?
Isabel! Where's the little curly woolly gumdrops? Where's my little curly woolly gumdrops? Yay! Okay,
So fun.
we'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye! I'm just going to go to work. I'll be back in 9 hours.
So funny. She'll tire herself out for the night, you know.
With any hope. You come walking.
She's trying, isn't it? It's like a
Yeah.
reflex. Just turn around.
Where are you going? Isabel? Where are you going?
Do you reckon a little bit higher?
Yeah, I'd say maybe a little bit higher because we should get more of a bounce out of it then. We put you higher. Will we put you higher?
Just hold hers.
Yeah.